I'm going to change how I view my image in my composition. I'm going to select an option here, fit up to 200%. Give me a much larger view here. If I want to see my image in better quality, you'll see here that I've got it set to full. If you find that your image tends to run a little bit slower on your machine, you can always reduce down the level of display. Now I'm going to leave mine on auto. I'm going to add some type. I'm going to select the character panel from within inside my panels area here. I'm just checking the settings at the moment on Helvetica Regular 72 points. I'm just going to check my paragraph orientation. At the moment it's set to centered, which I'm happy with. I'm going to move my cursor onto my composition and I'm going to do a single click. That will then display a cursor. You'll also note that I've now got an empty text layer appear in the timeline. Now I have my type on the pasteboard, so I'm going to do a paste. You will notice that my layer in the layers panel has been renamed and same as the text. We can scrub our timeline just to see the text in our image. And if, for example, I decide I want this text rather than just to be there all the time, I'd like it to appear, I can use some of the timeline effects.